How to switch back to personal account on Twitter. Hello and welcome to our channel Whizz. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily switch back to personal account on your Twitter app. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So first open up your Twitter app, and then once you're in your app, you have to tap on your profile picture in the top left corner here. Then here tap on profile. And here in your profile you have to tap on edit profile. Then here scroll down and tap on edit professional profile. Then here tap on switch account type. Then here tap on switch to personal account. Now here it says switch to personal account. When you switch to a personal account, any professional information you added will be deleted. This can be undone. So then here tap on switch to personal account, then wait for a few seconds and your account will be switched to personal account. So tap here to save the changes, and your changes have been saved. So this is how you can switch back to personal account on Twitter. Thanks for watching.